Who got the power?
Welcome to the 5th tutorial on Theme D. We will be looking at registering to vote, making politics more engaging and how you can vote. If you want to vote, you have to register first. You can do this at the post office or online. There are campaigns to encourage people to register, particularly at universities and in schools. Many organizations, from parliament to pressure groups that want to support democracy, have done research into how they can increase people's interest in politics. They have reached 3 conclusions. Firstly, by giving people more information. People who haven't voted said they didn't have enough information to make a decision on what to vote for. They said that leaflets, visits or emails from the candidate, or information on postal votes would help. Secondly, by being recognized for voting. This might mean a sticker to tell everyone they have voted or a pin for Facebook or other forms of social media. Thirdly, by education, in subjects like citizenship at school. The more people learn about the system and why everyone should be involved, the more likely they are to vote when they are old enough. If the voting age was lower to 16, this might also help. Many people think there is no point voting if they live in a constituency where the party they support is never elected. For example, in Gordon, a Labour candidate always wins by a huge margin. But PR would mean that every vote counts. People can vote at polling stations or register to vote by post. However, there are other ways that could encourage more people to vote, like being able to vote at weekends or having an extended period of time to vote, instead of just one day. Also, it would be easier for lots of people to vote if it could be done online. Finally, if voting was made compulsory, people might make more effort to find a political party that shares their views if they knew they had to vote for one of them. In the exam, you might be asked to explain why some people don't vote, why you think people should vote, how more people could be encouraged to vote, and why citizenship education in school helps.